What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title. This trading secret turned me into a profitable trader, and like all my other videos, it is not clickbait. If it's your first time on my channel, welcome. I appreciate you giving this video a chance. Go ahead and hit that like, bell, and sub button because we don't just post weekly content like this, but we also post trade breakdowns, trading psychology videos, trading tip videos, trading plan videos, but most importantly of all, we live stream and live trade London session 3 a.m. EST every single day on the same channel. We also live stream during New York session as well. That's with the members in the Advanced Play Signal Room and the course members. But some of the New York streams will be posted on here. I have a couple that I got to upload later on this week. We also have a free Signal Room, free Telegram. There's the first link in the description. Last month, we went 45-7, giving us 87% win rate. We caught a total of 219,708 pips. 211,000 of those, 933 of those were strictly with the members in the Advanced Play Signal Room. So you hit the first link, go to September 6th. You click right here. It's going to take you to the very first day of August, where we started off 20,129 pips. Every trade posted has my personal entry, SL, TP, time the trade was posted, how many people viewed or entered the trade, screenshots of those positions as well. Now let's go ahead and get into this video. First thing you need to understand, we're going to break this down into 3 parts, and you stay to the end. I'm gonna throw in a bonus part. All right, so the first thing you need to understand that there's no coincidences. Every candlestick is telling you a story and leaving clues. Once you understand and have all 4 of these steps down, you'll be able to catch the entire downtrend, the entire reversal up. Watch this, y'all. We caught the downtrend down, then we caught the reversal up, and then we caught the downtrend back down. We caught basically almost every pip in the market until we got to this consolidation phase. This strategy is not really even a strategy. This is how you should read the charts. This doesn't just work on gold. It works on futures, Forex, stocks, crypto. If it's a chart and got candlesticks, this will work on it, okay? My strategy isn't just a strategy where you're looking for setups or a certain specific pattern. My strategy teaches you how to read the charts. This works on every single time frame. So again, if you don't know how to really understand and read candlesticks, watch this video right here. This will break down the main 2 candlesticks you need to really understand. And once you watch this video and that video, you won't see the charts the same way. Let me explain what I mean by there is no coincidences. Let's go on the naked chart. This is one of the things you need to do, okay? It's called back testing. So let's look right here. Let's say you're on the chart and you're confused why price went up and then out of nowhere it rejected down. Again, that is called a retracement, but there's a reason why price did it at that specific price point. What you need to do is grab your horizontal line and then just click right above where the wick is. And then guess what? This is what I always tell my members and students. If you look to the left, it's going to explain what's happening in the present and what could potentially happen in the future. So let me show you what I mean. We're going to scroll out and go to the left. Look, automatically we found a support resistance level. And look right here. This was September 6th. This was September 8th. This was September 11th. This was September 15th. So again, this is showing you there is no coincidences in the market. Same thing, price broke this level, retraced, rejected, retraced the same level, rejected, wicked the same level, rejected, wicked it again, rejected, came back a whole week later, did the same exact thing. Is that a coincidence? No. Let's do some more back testing. This was August 10th, a whole month ago. This was July 4th, 2 months ago. You know what I'm saying? And we can just keep going. This was March 15th, a whole quarter ago. So understand that price is never just randomly moving. There is no coincidences in the markets. That brings us into tip number 2, secret number 2. Price always repeats itself. So let's find another level, right? Look at this. Look at this right here. Price will clearly treat this level as support. Then when it rejected, it treated the level as a resistance. Then when it broke above, it treated the level as support again. And then we come back, we see price treat this level as support again and then to resistance. So let's scroll out. This was all the way in June. This was in August, 2 months later. This is a clear indicator that price is always repeating itself, and we see this on literally every time frame. Let's go on the daily. This was all the way in February 2020, treating this level as resistance. This was back in May 2020. This is March 2021, a whole year later. August 2021. Look at this. This was July 2022. And if you want to see this level I'm talking about, go ahead and go on your chart, pause, type in 1681. Type in 1680 to 1682, and you'll find this exact level. Okay, I'm on the daily time frame. Now that brings us into number 3, secret number 3. Price always follows the trend and moves when volume comes in. I'm gonna say it again. Price always follows the trend and moves when volume comes in. Now I break this down a lot more with the members in our exclusive live streams, and of course it's in my course. Links are in the description for that. But first, watch this video before you make any decisions if you want to learn from me. All right, because I do post a lot of good content and free game weekly. So let me show you what I mean. Now, if you don't understand how to identify the trend or the 3 chart patterns, watch this video right here, then come back to this video. Okay, watch that video, then come back, because again, you don't want to just watch this video and not have anything make sense. You need things to click. So watch that video, then come back to this one. We're clearly in a downtrend, right? Clearly in a downtrend. Price did a retracement up, but followed the rules in that first video and that second video. And then what? Continued the downtrend. Now let's break this down even deeper. Look when this downtrend began, March. This is May. This is July. This is September. So price continued this downtrend for an entire 6 months. That is half a year. An entire 6 months, price continued this downtrend. Now let me break down what I mean when volume comes in. Price made the reversal once volume came in. So you watched that video on how to understand and read candlesticks. I broke down the volume candlestick. So this was volume pushing price down and creating this low here. Price hit a strong support resistance level. And then what happened? Price got stagnant here. So from March 15th all the way to April 8th, that's a total of 18 days. That's 2 weeks. Over 2 weeks, because this is just counting trading days. So for over 2 weeks, price got stuck at this level because the lack of volume. There wasn't enough volume to continue the downtrend. So what price had to do? It had to retrace back up. But then look right here. Look how small these candlesticks were, and then look how big these red candlesticks were. That's when the volume came in to help push price down. So then price treated this level from support to resistance. And look at that volume candlestick that helped push price down. And then after the retest, which was that wick, price continued the downtrend. And then we see the same thing right here. Price got stuck at this resistance level, didn't have enough volume to break. But again, look, even with these small candlesticks, price still continued to follow the trend, which is what? A downtrend, which means what? Price is overall going to be going down. So even with the lack of volume, price is still following these rules. This is why it's so important to follow and apply these rules. So once volume came in though, then price dumped and the downtrend continued, right? And then even after this retracement, price came back to the same level, the same support resistance level. And then what happened? Rejected it. And then what? Continued the downtrend. All right, so that brings us into the secret number 4, which is support resistance is king. If you do not understand what support resistance is, you need to, because that is literally how price moves. So watch this video right here. If y'all enjoyed this video, man, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join the free Signal Room, free Telegram. Make sure to hit that bell button as well, because we live stream every day, London session, 3 AM EST. If you're interested in learning how to mark up these levels or to learn directly from me, I do have the Advanced Play Signal Room. It comes with the Advanced Play Signal Room. Every day during New York session, I drop the New York price watch list. I break down not only the trades we take during Tokyo session, but the trades during London session, as well as possible setups going into New York. You see here, I'm literally I'm literally breaking things down. I'm not just saying we're looking for buys, we're looking for sells. I'm explaining why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sales. And then I take it a step further. I go over specific price points of where to look for buys and sells at. Then we also have the pin message, the account size key, to make sure you're not taking any trades that your account can't handle. So you have a $200 account, you shouldn't be trading US 30. Then we also have the student and member group chat. And then if you miss the exclusive live streams, which are during New York news events, they're always recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you have a chance. In fact, you have access to over 200 photos and 400 videos showing all the trade breakdowns, chart analysis, and live streams from all the way last year when the playbook started. If you have any questions or want to contact me directly, DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. I respond to all messages. Also hit that follow. Make sure to also follow me on TikTok at playmakerway. I post daily on both pages. I'll see y'all in the next video or the next time I'm live. Peace. We out.